Alright, just a real quick tutorial on the payload delivery kit for the M3T, the Enterprise series. You can see here this is actually a commercial payload kit. It's dual payload. It locks into the frame, so it's secured steadily. It can be quickly removed. It is completely controlled from a PDSK. You'll notice you have emergency lighting on here, the capability to drop 1 and 2 or both at once. There's also strapping that comes on it. This particular instance, we were just using a test here, a couple golf balls, a little game we like to call drone golf. But that said, this is a really well-made unit. You'll see it ties into the power port here on top, and again is fully controlled by the PDSK. So there's no turning on and off lights. Again, commercial grade kit, no plastic clip that goes over it. Can handle just about any payload, certainly more than the drone can carry. And emergency lights are a nice touch, even if you're just flying a public safety op and want to identify that aircraft. It's not very heavy. It doesn't impact your flight times. There's not a whole lot of weight on that when it's not carrying a payload, of course. So any questions, give us a shout, but we just wanted to kind of give you a demo here. This is how it locks on the body, and then the other little clip there actually opens and closes each of the payloads. It will handle a small ResCom PFD. You can attach it directly to the body on the bottom here with a strap on each side, so it holds it tight to the body so there's nothing hanging low, which takes any fear of something swinging up and hitting the props as well. Thanks for your attention and interest. For those of you that asked, there's a quick video of it doing its thing. Visit us at firehousetechnology.com if you wanted any more information.